everyone. Welcome to today's question of the day from IPMAT Indore 2024 QA MCQ section. Today's question is based on numbers area, and within numbers also it is based on the number of digits in some higher powers of 2s and 5s, right? So let's see what is given here. The numbers 2 raised to the power 2024 and 5 raised to the power 2024 are expanded, and their digits are written out consecutively on one page. The total number of digits written on the page is. Now obviously it is not expected that we write all the digits of 2 raised to the power 2024 and 5 raised to the power 2024 and calculate the answer. Generally in such questions, when the powers are so huge that you can't actually manually calculate such things, there has to be some rule or there has to be certain pattern that follows in such powers. So I believe because it is based on the number of digits, I don't think there is a direct rule for the number of digits in the powers of 2 or the number of digits in any power of 5. Here we'll try to see if there's any pattern which exists in the digits of 2, powers of 2 and powers of 5. Okay. So because they've asked me to calculate the total number of digits in 2 raised to the power 2024 and 5 raised to the power 2024, I'll try to find out a pattern in the total digits of 2 raised to anything and 5 raised to anything. Okay, so basically 2 raised to the power x, 5 raised to the power x, and I'll take different values of x. If x is equal to 1, I'm just writing the number of digits, okay. So 2 raised to the power x is 1, number of digits is 1, number of digits is 1, and the total digits are 2, okay. If I take x equal to 2, x square, 2 square is 4, that is 1 digit, and 5 square is 25, it has 2 digits. The total digits become 3, okay. X equal to 3, that is when I take 2 cube and 5 cube. If I take 2 cube, that is 8, the number of digits is 1. And when I take 5 cube, it is 125, number of digits is 3. 1 plus 3, the total digits are 4. Okay, I see that total digits are increasing by 1, but it could be initial pattern also. Is it following for higher powers also? X equal to 4, 2 raised to the power 4 is 16, so 2 digits. 5 raised to the power 4 is 625, that is 3 digits only. So 2 plus 3, 5. So here when the number of digits in 2 raised to the power x increased by 1, the number of digits in 5 raised to the power x remained the same, and overall the total digits increased only by 1. And if I think, I found a pattern, I think I won't be wrong now. Because when I see x to the power 5, x equal to 5, that is 2 raised to the power 5, 32 has 2 digits. 5 raised to the power 5, 5 raised to the power 4 is 625, into 5 would be in 3000s, it's actually 3125, it has 4 digits. 2 plus 4, 6 is the total number of digits. I think I've clearly found a pattern now. Whatever is the power of 2 and 5 that you're taking, if you add them up, the total number of digits in the power of 2 and the total number of digits in the power of 5 are 1 more than the overall power that you had taken for 2 and 5. So when x is 1, the total digits here and the total digits here are 2. When x is 2, total digits of 2 to the power x, 2 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 2 is 3. This was 3, the total digits we are getting is 4. This was 4, the total digits we are getting is 5. When x is 5, the total digits we are getting is 6. Therefore, when we take x equal to 2024, I don't know what the individual powers would be, or the individual number of digits would be, but the total number of digits of 2 to the power 2024 and 5 to the power 2024 would simply be 1 more than 2024, that is 2025, and that would be my answer. Therefore, my answer to the question is option D, that is 2025, right? So as we had mentioned earlier, although the question appears to be very challenging or tricky, but if you just identify the correct pattern that would lead you to the answer, you will get the answer very, very easily. So for me, if if it was possible for you to make such a pattern and identify the logic here, it was a type A question. However, when you look at this and if you're not able to initiate the pattern, in that case this is a type B or a type C question, because and if it does not click to you, in that case you can't keep breaking your head on this and waste a lot of time. Okay, so if the pattern does not click to you within a minute, you should leave this question and go ahead. If the pattern clicks to you initially within a minute, in that case you should go ahead and solve the question. You'll get to the answer within less than 2 minutes, right? So I hope this video has helped you understand about the concept better. All the best and keep working towards your IPMAT preparation.